You guys asked me to make a video where I show you guys some styles that you can do on your hair, and that is what we are going to be doing today. Not using any hot tools, we're not using any hair extensions, and we are also not going to use any hair products like edge control or anything like that. These are going to be like pretty much just natural, easygoing, low tension styles that you guys can do when you want to spice up your hair. I know some of y'all don't like these, but for the accessory that I'm gonna use, this one is going to be necessary. You don't have to use this kind of band if you don't want to. You can use a scrunchie, but I don't do these styles that often, so it's not gonna hurt me to go ahead and use this. So I have a few different accessories. The first accessory that I have is these little hair scarves. I got these from TJ Maxx for $5.99, and I just think these are so cute. Last year, which one do I want to use? I think I want to use the white and gold one. Last year, I kept seeing these at the Dollar Tree and I kept picking them up. So I already had some of these, but when I was in TJ Maxx, I was like, oh my God, these are actually patterns that I will wear all the time. So I picked these up, and I think these are so cute to just dress up your ponytail and make it look just a little bit more special and a little bit different. See, isn't that cute? Brush my hairs into place, just because this side over here of my edges be looking a little bit scraggly, and you don't have to use edge control to do your edges. Like, you can still, ooh, I don't know about that. You can still like brush them out. See, that already looks better. And if you want to add something, you can, but you don't have to. And I'm not, because I'm just not. I might wear my hair like this tomorrow to work because this is cute. Okay, so this is the first style. Another variation of this style would be, you can do this with a bun on the top instead of the ponytail like I did, or you could have some pieces coming down to the front, or you could have just one piece. I've done different variations of those styles as well. Also have these. I made these actually, and most of the time I will wear two at a time, so I'll like stack them on top of each other and do it like that. And I get so many compliments just because it's different, you know. Like, they make hair clips, people wear hair clips, but it's just different, you know. And I also like to like pull my little sides out. I don't know why, I just like doing that. This is going to be another, like, if you're weighing your hair down, is to wear headbands. So I got these, and then it's like comes with this, and I like sparkly, like glittery things, so I really like this one. I have another one too because this came in a set. And TJ Maxx, Marshalls, like little stores like that, Burlington, those are good places to get your hair accessories because you can get them in a pack for super cheap for like $4.99. You can also shop on Amazon too, but I really like going through and see what I can find in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, those type of stores, because they always have the little like hidden gems and they're super cheap. Like, see how that just, like, even though I'm just wearing my hair down, like how it just adds like just a little bit of something extra, makes me look like a little bit more like classy and pretty and girly. And I like to wear headbands. I like to wear headbands anytime, but I really like to wear headbands like when it's like the last day of my wash day. Headbands, hair clips, pretty scrunchies, like those are what I like to wear on the last days of my wash day, because even though my hair isn't exactly like, you know, exactly as fresh anymore and like as flowy and like just blowing around and silky and moving, it still looks good. I still look put together and I still look girly when I have my hair in a cute style or when I'm using a cute hair accessory. So sometimes it's not even all about like a style or finding a style for your hair. Sometimes just the right hair accessories can take your hair to the next level and make it look like you put in so much effort to your hair and your overall look when you really didn't. You just added an accessory. So all I'm doing is gathering my hair into a low ponytail, and it doesn't have to be perfect. We're not going for a messy ponytail, but it doesn't have to be perfect because all of these styles are low tension. So I've gathered my hair into a ponytail. We do have this piece out right here, and I'm gonna pull out that. I know y'all have seen everybody and their mama wearing a hair bow lately. I got these from TJ Maxx as well, and this was for $6.99. This has a little clip on the back. This would also look cute in the half down, half up, half down look, but all you do is clip it. See how cute that looks? Oh my God. How am I gonna wear my hair tomorrow? I'm not gonna wear it like this because I wore my hair like this last week, but I think I'm gonna wear the half up, half down with the scarf and the piece out. That's how I'm wearing my hair tomorrow. I'm already planning. Okay, so this is another style that you can do. We're gonna put our hair into a ponytail. And this is good if you do not want any of your hair out. And then we're gonna try to like maneuver our hair like into a bun while trying to cover up the scrunchie, but if you can't, it's okay. And you can also dress this up by adding any of the other hair accessories. Like you can add a headband, that makes it look so much more cuter. You can also add a scarf, or you can add a bow on top. I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know which of these styles was your favorite. Which one of these will you be trying? Also, don't forget to let me know what you want to see. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.